Now we know this is a very interesting elections. All 17 seats here in Telangana going into elections in one phase. The fourth phase, of course, Revanth Reddy is very keen on maintaining the swing that they got in the assembly elections. It is a matter of pride for Revanth Reddy. As we say, the Revanth Raj has begun in Telangana, but will that have a bearing and effect in the parliamentary elections? Revanth himself was an MP from Malkajgiri who resigned basically to take up the CM's post. He's put in a candidate there on his behalf. So Malkajgiri constituency also a very important seat for his prestige. Now we're looking at key candidates here. If I could mention, we have G. Kishan Reddy, Asauddin Owaisi, Madhuri Lata, Bandi Sanjay, BRS's Vinod Kumar, Boinapalli. As we see superstars, Allu Arjun, Chiranjeevi, Junior NTR. These are the three stars, let me tell you, who set precedents right at the start of the day, came and stood in line and cast their vote. This is, of course, setting the ball rolling and urging people at the same time, their fans, followers, to come out and exercise their franchise. We're going to take you through those images. Telangana, traditionally a Congress stronghold. They lost out to the BRS for the last decade and managed to come back. A resurgent Congress manages to wrestle power here in the recent assembly elections. At this point, the BRS, on the other hand, is looking to revive its fortunes, while the BJP hoping to increase its vote share. Let's take you through all the live images that came in right from the morning. Telangana.
It is a responsibility of every citizen that they need to go out to vote, because the vote brings two changes. One, a new change and development towards themselves and their families. And the other one is it gives an opportunity to change the lives of downtrodden, the lives of Dalits, the lives of poor, and the lives of those every old-aged individuals or people who have been abandoned. So the vote is the most, I would say, precious social work, along with a selfish desire to move on towards the development.
What's your response to people who say there's no alternative to Modi?
No. See, that is what I'm saying. This country had given opportunity to Pandit Nehru. After Nehru, who? The country progressed. Then you had Lal Bahadur Shastri. Then you had Indira Gandhi. The country said who? The country progressed. So this country is bigger than all the politicians. Politicians will come and serve this country. They will leave this world. But this country will remain, and will have to, when it remains, it has to remain as a strong country. So if anyone is saying that X individual, oh, Modi is the country. No, Modi is not the country. Indira Gandhi was not the country. Nehru was not the country. This country had given them the opportunity to serve the people of India. That in itself is a huge honor. So it is wrong to claim, oh, OIC is bigger than this or Expo. No, we are not. We are all servants of this country, servants of the people. We are serving to ensure that democracy gets strengthened more.
Madhuri Lata calls herself the face of Hindutva. What would you call yourself?
I am the face of Indian nationalism.
The five national issues you're seeking vote for today.
I've already said it, but I don't want to get into this trap of appealing for vote on the day of polling when the campaigning.
What are your five national issues?
No. There are many issues. See, what I feel the people of India understand, especially the youth, the Narendra Modi government has done what they have done with the Indian Army recruitment with Agniveer. They will definitely, if Mr. Modi comes back in power, he will replicate the same scheme for CRPF, SSB, Railway Protection Force, BSF. Because if that is done for the army, which goes and stands at the borders and protect the country and us and the Indian citizens, he will definitely do this, because 4-year service, you are out.
They claim that only the cream is chosen.
So the same argument will be given. So see, if this can be done for the army, why won't this government do it, which we don't want? Now can you imagine, at the age of 22, 23, the youth is unemployed after having done 4 years.
But they get benefits after 4 years.
What benefit? There is no benefit. There is no pension, no medical, no education. Nothing is there. So this is what I'm appealing to the youth of India. Please understand this.
Everybody has to use the right of their vote. I think it's a good message which we need to pass on to the coming generations. Everybody has to use the right of their vote. I think it's a good message which we need to pass on to the coming generations.
Please cast your vote. It's a very responsible day for us, as all of us, for the citizens of this country. I know it's quite hot, but let's put that little effort, because today is the most crucial day for the next future, for the next 5 years of our life. Please cast your vote.
So I would like to say, every time I've been telling, and this time also, the new emerging waters are coming up. And so I do request them, make use of your power of vote. People like us, we are requesting and appealing, please do come and make use of your vote power.
Joining me now is legendary music director Mr. Keeravani. Sir, you have casted your vote. What's your message to the people of Hyderabad, sir?
I just landed from Dubai and I did not wash my face yet. I did not brush my teeth. Directly came from airport to polling booth to just pay my...
Are you saying that you came out only from Dubai to just cast your vote, or it was coincidenting with your travel?
No. I went to Dubai for 2 days, but I just landed. First thing I need to go home,
Correct.
But I straight away came to polling booth. First I want to finish this, and then I'm going home now.
People of Hyderabad usually don't come out because of temperature and long weekend. How do you see this, sir?
Temperature or no temperature, we have to do your duty, no?
And what are the issues that Mr. Keeravani looks at, sir, while voting?
Pardon me?
What are the issues that you look at while voting?
That depends, no? Everybody has their own issue, and it's all perspective.